Magkasabay na nagpa-interview sina Mayor Bullet Haloshos at si dating Congressman Bong Suntay sa YouTube channel ng mamamahayag na si Jay Ruiz. Ito ay kaugnay ng malisyosong paglilink sa kanila kay Dominic Roque, matapos makumpirma ang breakup ng aktor kay Bea Alonzo. Nag-awit sa hiwalayan ng mga kaibigang politiko ni Dominic na sina Dapitan City Mayor Bullet Haloshos at former Quezon City 4th District Representative Bong Suntay. Si Mayor Bullet ang may-ari ng condo unit na tinitirhan ni Dominic. Kinuha naman ni Congressman Suntay si Dominic bilang endorser sa isa niyang negosyo. Makahulugan ang pahayag ni Mayor Bullet sa teaser ng second part ng interview, "I will do some legal actions against this." Sana nagkaroon man lang daw ng fact-finding bago maglabas ng ganong kwento. Para lang daw magkaroon ng intriga kaya binigyan ng mali siya ang pagbabalita. Sana naman itong nagkakalat ng mga, that they are claiming na mga batikang journalist, no? Saad ni Mayor Bullet. Sana naman, ingat-ingat din, kasi they have the responsibility to the people, na dapat fact-finding. Hindi yung nalaman nila sa pangalan ko yung kondo, sugar daddy na ako bigla, di ba? Hindi ba pwedeng ni-rent? Hindi ba pwedeng binibenta? There's so many, tumalon agad, Ang problema doon, sinakyan, gina-gaslight nila yung issue. Naawa rin kami kay Dom, kasi syempre affected na nga yung tao sa breakup, ililink kami sa kanya. So, kami pinagtatawanan na lang namin. But at some point, no, kailangan talaga tumigil. And I think these people will have to also be reprimanded, no? Kailangan may consequences din yung may batas tayo, Pinagtatawanan na lang daw ni Bong Suntay ang pagkakadawat niya sa isyu ni Bea at Dominic. Ako nung una, natatawa. I was taking it lightly. In fact, sinasabi ko nga sa kaibigan ko, uy, okay nakakakuha ng libreng advertisement ang Clean Fuel, oo at saka dumami yung followers ko. Tiningnan ko rin yung followers ni Mayor Bullet, nakita kong pasikat na siya ngayon. Siguro pag natapos yung kontrata ni Dom, si Bullet naman yung kukunin kong endorser, dahil sikat na rin ngayon, pabirong pahayag ng dating kongresista. Kakilala ni Direk Jose Javier Reyes si Dominic, na anak-anakan ni Judy Ann Santos. Close friend ni Juday si Beth Tamayo, na tiya ni Dominic. Malapit kay Direk Joey si Juday. Nagpapamisa dati sina Juday at Ryan Agoncillo sa kanilang tahanan, at nakakasama roon sina Dominic at Direk Joey. Ano ang reaksyon ni Direk Joey sa paghihiwalay ni Dominic at fiancé nitong si Bea Alonzo? I know Dom. I do not personally know Bea, say ni Direk Joey. But of course, everybody knows Bea. I just feel at this point na, this is a breakup of two people, and it's being kept at that for whatever reason there is. I do not understand why ang kinakalkal, yung private life ni Dominic. Hindi ba? I mean now it's about Dominic being blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna vouch for the credibility of his character, but I don't think that it is right that you have to bring out all this stuff, okay? And look, how long were they together? They've been together for about 3 years. Assuming it's 3 years or so, if there were any questions, don't tell me that Bea would not have asked that right at the start, di ba? They would have known that, if there's anything dubious about the character of Dominic. I'm not defending Dominic. I'm just saying that the situation is ridiculous and unfair. Dominic is not a saint but let he who has no sin cast the first stone, di ba? May mga pahiwatig na kesyo sugar daddy raw ni Dominic ang sino man kina Mayor Bullet at former Congressman Suntay. Himutok pa ni Direk Joey, and bringing in names of politicians, hindi ba? Dragging them into this, which has nothing to do with a relationship of two people. Hindi ba? And we will never really know why they split up. We cannot live on the world na pasawsaw. I'm sure that there is a reason behind the breakup, for it to have reached this long and then they decided to break up. But then, just leave them in peace. Because that's something that they have to resolve among themselves. And they must be both hurting. But you have to don't drag in people's names, wala na ba tayong magawang iba? Hindi ba? After Kathniel, Lays move on to Dominic. Okay, I mean, hindi ba? I mean, it's not the sort of thing that is nice to the guy. I agree with Direk Joey. At bilang malapit sa pamilya nina Juday at Ryan kung saan parang extended family rin si Dominic, mas mabuti na lang to leave them to sort things out. Maging si Bea ay naging malapit sa akin dahil magkaklase kami sa writing class ni Sir Ricky Lee. Nirerespeto ko ang kanyang pananahimik. Yes, we should have better things to do and there are more important issues to tackle lalo na sa ating industriya. Paano na ang takilya? Nakakaangat na ba?